Hello, hello, and welcome to my application. You might guess here that the point of the application today is to get the webcam to display in Unity. And here we are. La da da, and blah blah blah. Alright, cool. So, that's my project. It took me a while. As you can see, I tried to remove the background and oh wow, there's shadows. Okay, so basically what this is in 3D is there's a camera looking down a little bit this way. There's a flat screen in the back, and there's a little square that displays the webcam information. The webcam information, I had to process the image to get rid of the background, which I have a green screen behind me. It's not just a normal background. I had to go through some work for that. Green tablecloth, whatever, that's fine. So basically, if the green was high, then I removed it and made it invisible. Also, there's a nice preset for materials called cutout or something, or cut through. I don't know, something like that. And the combination finally worked, and I got it to do this. So there you go. Hope you enjoy this, and hopefully I'll have some nice webcam stuff later. Some like, hey, we're gonna drive, and you're gonna be able to see yourself in the rearview mirror type thing. That kind of thing. So we'll see. Until then, have a nice day, and see you guys later. Bye.